everyone, welcome again to Learn English Sentences. So in today's video I'm gonna share 100 sentences. So this beautiful sentence is really helpful for you. So before we begin, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, and also give it a thumbs up, because then we know what kind of videos you want us to keep making. Okay, so let's get going. Now first sentence is, तुम मेरे घर आ सकते थे पर तुम नहीं आए. You could have come my home but you didn't. You could have come my home but you didn't. हमें आज मिलना था. We had to meet today. We had to meet today. मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I have to talk to him. I have to talk to him. उसे किसी भी हालत में वहाँ जाना चाहिए. He must go there at any cost. He must go there at any cost. तुम उसके घर क्यों जाते थे? Why did you used to go his home? Why did you used to go to his home? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहोगे? Would you like to meet me? Would you like to meet me? शायद वो आज आए. He might come today. He might come today. क्या उसे जाना है? Has he to go? Has he to go? अगर मैंने तुम्हें देखा होता, क्या तुमसे बात नहीं करती? If I had seen you, wouldn't I have talked to you? If I had seen you, wouldn't I have talked to you? उसने कहा था कि वो स्कूल नहीं आएगा. He had said that he would not come to school. He had said that he would not come to school. अगर मैं आया तो तुमसे मिलूंगा. If I come, I will meet you. If I come, I will meet you. हमें प्यार चाहिए, कुछ और नहीं. We need love, nothing else. We need love, nothing else. राम यहाँ क्यों आता था? Why did Ram used to come here? Why did Ram used to come here? मैं तुमसे मिलने कभी नहीं आ सकती. I can never come to meet you. I can never come to meet you. क्या तुम मेरे लिए रुक नहीं सकते? Can't you wait for me? Can't you wait for me? क्या तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए? Don't you need anything? Don't you need anything? तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए. What do you think? Should I go there? What do you think? Should I go there? क्या वो पा सका जो वो चाहता था? Could he achieve what he wanted? Could he achieve what he wanted? वो तुम्हारे साथ डांस नहीं करना चाहेगी. She would not like to dance with you. She would not like to dance with you. क्या उसे तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है? Does he need your help? Does he need your help? तुम्हें उसकी हालत के बारे में सोचना चाहिए था. You should have thought about his condition. You should have thought about his condition. शायद वो आ रहा हो. He might be coming. He might be coming. उन्हें इस तरह के मौसम की आदत हो गई है. They are used to such a climate. They are used to such a climate. क्या वो तुम्हारे घर आता था? Did he used to come to your home? Did he used to come to your home? कल पक्का ओले पड़ेंगे. It must hail tomorrow. It must hail tomorrow. क्या उसे जाना है? Has he to go? Has he to go? मैं पहले से ही जानती थी कि वो जीतेगा। I already knew that he would win. I already knew that he would win. वहाँ अच्छा मौसम होना चाहिए. There should be good weather. There should be good weather. मैं पढ़ने के बजाय टीवी देख रहा था. I was watching TV rather than studying. I was watching TV rather than studying. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मेरी मम्मी काम करें. I wanted my mom not to work. I wanted my mom not to work. शायद वे चले गए होंगे. They might have left. They might have left. वो जाता था और मैं आता था. He used to go and I would come. He used to go and I would come. क्या मैं अब जा सकता हूँ? May I go now? May I go now? ये एक अफवाह भी हो सकती है. It might be a rumor. It might be a rumor. वो तुम्हारे बजाय मुझे ज़्यादा मानता है. He prefers me over you. He prefers me over you. अगर तुम्हें सच्चाई का पता होता तो तुम मुझे बता चुके होते. Had you known the truth, you would have told me. Had you known the truth, you would have told me. अगर वो मुझसे मिला तो मैं उसे तुम्हारे बारे में बताऊंगी. If he meets me, I will tell him about you. If he meets me, I will tell him about you. उसे पक्का चले जाना चाहिए. He must leave. He must leave. मोबाइल मुझे मेरी पढ़ाई से भटका नहीं सका. Mobile couldn't divert me from my study. Mobile couldn't divert me from my study. वो मुझसे मिलना नहीं चाहते थे. They didn't want to meet me. They didn't want to meet me. क्या वो यहाँ आ पाएगा? Will he be able to come here? Will he be able to come here? क्या आप मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा समय निकाल सकते हो? Could you please spare some time for me? Could you please spare some time for me? तुम प्यार की तुलना किसी चीज़ के साथ नहीं कर सकते. You can't compare love with anything. You can't compare love with anything. वहाँ कोई भी हो सकता है. There can be anybody. There can be anybody. क्या तुम उस लड़के से मिल सकते हो? Can you meet that guy? Can you meet that guy?